Hi, my name is Allison, and I'm a self employed business owner in Texas. And I have been struggling to grow my email list of clients and my online presence for several years now. And this struggle has been time consuming. The traditional methods weren't working for me. And then I found Audience Factory. The Audience Factory course has been a life changer for my business. I'm growing my social media presence with this wonderful course. You can basically take it in about a couple of weeks' time or a month's time, and it's so easy to use. Growing my business client base was challenging with the traditional platforms of email platforms and going out and making daily posts. It was just very time consuming for me. And what I found with Audience Factory is the simple and easy videos and explanations that are there to help you generate more followers. It's just been a great asset to my business. And I highly recommend that you get more information about Audience Factory. My favorite thing is the network and the step by step, easy to use courses, and it's all in one. It's a great package for small business entrepreneurs like myself. And I would encourage you to take a look and step into the next level for your business with Audience Factory.